adventures in my life. Las Vegas, Nevada. It's very beautiful. Very beautiful day. It's sunny, very nice. It's color, perfect weather. So guys, we are here in the house, our new house. We are here. So we came here very early in the morning because we do have a gas appointment for the gas today. So we don't need to miss that. Very important. So we do have a tour, empty tour house today. So, but we do have a part two for that. The part two is the one we have furnace already. We do have furnitures like that. So come on in, guys. Welcome to our house. This is our car. We have two cars, and my car is inside the garage now. So we park here, and this is our garage. So this is for the cars. So yeah, ta-da! This is our garage, guys. So this is empty. So this one, we're gonna put this one someplace. It's not, this is not the place for the garbage here. So guys, this is our laundry room. So this is our laundry room. We do have a cover here for your stuff, for the laundry stuff, like that. And this is our washing machine, dryer, like that. And this is our door for from the garage. Okay, so this is our guest bathroom. Guest bathroom. Oops, it's noisy. We are not gonna turn on that. So this is our guest bathroom in the downstairs. So we can close this one because we are going up. Okay, so yan. So we start in downstairs, guys. So sorry, guys, we put in our stuff here. So yeah, that's our kitchen. Welcome to Joy's Kitchen. So yeah, this is our kitchen, guys. My husband and I. So we're so excited for our kitchen because it's big, you know. So yeah, that's our kitchen. So yeah, this one, and then we do have a pantry here. This is our pantry for the food, like storage food, like that. So we do have here. It's small, it's storage pantry, but you know, it's enough for us because just only two of us, my husband and I. So as you can see, we do have a lot of stuff here because we are moving. So this is our stuff. We are not even half, guys. So yeah, so this is our living room, and we have a fireplace here. This is our fireplace. That's why the people coming today, we do have appointment for that. I see that earlier because they're gonna check our gas, make sure everything is good because it's very important, the gas here, guys. So this is our fireplace. Okay, so it's gonna be, our couch is gonna be here. So yeah, so I love the blinds, guys. See the blinds, I love the blinds. So let's open this one. You know, this one is tricky. Oh, ready po, guys? Yan. So that's our blinds. And let's open this. There you go. Ta-da! So it's open, guys. So it's not remote blinds, but at least we do have blinds. Ta-da! Welcome, guys, to our first living room. So this is the entrance, guys, the living room, the first living room. And as you can see, again, we are moving, so we have more stuff here, and it's not even half yet. So we don't have furniture yet, or nothing. So this is the blinds again. This is the front window. So that's the one, our window. This is easy. Then the other one. So that tada. So as you can see outside, guys. Even though you don't need to open the window. Okay, so but you can see outside already. Okay, so this is our entrance. This is our door entrance. So I'm not gonna open right now that door, but that's our entrance door. Okay, so now this door is this one is storage, guys. I can put my our coat here, my husband and I's coat and shoes, you know, and then we can put the storage over there. It's huge, guys. You can go all the way to the back. Ta-da! Nothing here. So it's huge. You can still go down there. So, but yeah. So now let's go, guys. Come with me. Let's go upstairs. This is our stairs. Upstairs. This is our stairs. And this is the chandelier, guys. So this one, the chandelier, we have to put the new one, this one, someday. Right now, we're so busy, so we cannot put the new chandelier yet because we're so busy. We're concentrating our mob and our, organized so that we can live comfortable. So this one are stairs. Stairs. So tada! Hi everyone, welcome guys to our house. Okay, so now we're gonna go first in our master bedroom. Come on in. Right here. Oh, dim. So, hello guys, welcome to our master bedroom. So, this bedroom, guys, we are so happy. It's huge. As you can see, it's big bedroom. So, this is the master bedroom suite, okay? So, this is the one, the bedroom suite. Right here. Ta-da! And this is the blinds. Oh, I don't know. So that one, guys, I don't want to open that one. So yeah, so we are in the bathroom now, guys. So yeah, this is our double sink, our bathroom. So I love it, guys, because it's a gold here. All the knobs, guys, is brand new. All is brand new. So double sink, and we have drawers here, whatever you put, like that. It's all brand new, all brand new. So yeah, all brand new, all brand new. So yeah, so we have a lot of storage. So this is the one of my favorite, guys. Ta-da! Look at this. This is my favorite, guys. So the tub, and look, this is the one. And we do have window. Look, it's a window. Yeah. And then this is the back of our shower. And ta-da! We do have shower. It's a huge shower, guys. Come on in. Show them the shower. It's huge. All is gold, guys. So that's what I love is glass, and then all is gold, And then this room, guys, is the toilet, the CR. So that's the CR is separate. So that's the CR toilet. So it's a separate. So I like it. Okay. Welcome to our closet, guys. Walk-in closet. So this is our walk-in closet, guys. It's huge. So like what I said is I have a lot of stuff and I have a lot of dress. So yeah, so this is our walk-in closet. So it's huge. So we can party in there. So yeah, so come on guys, let's go to the other room. That's the master bedroom suites, and then this is our this is for like office something, or you put something in here like office stuff, you know, you can put your laptop, whatever you want to put the electronics here, you can put in here for the, you know, whatever. So yeah, that's our hallway. And this one, guys, okay, I'm gonna, sorry, it's dark because there's no light. Ta-da! So now we don't have lights, guys. So this is the window, our guest bedroom. So look at the guest bedroom, guys. It's huge, right? So now we do have this. We do have a closet for the guest bedroom. So yeah, this is our guest bedroom closet. So this is our first bedroom, guest bedroom. So now, well, let's come here. This one, we have this room for the towels. For the towels for the guest bathroom. Right here, guys. So that's the one. It's huge, right? So, and ta-da! Welcome to the guest bathroom, guys. It's huge. And they have shower here. This is their shower. Yeah, this is their showers. Very nice. They have tub, they have showers. It's big, and they have toilets. It's complete. They do have this. So if we do have a company, they're gonna stay here. They have their own bedroom, bathroom, shower to complete that, and then the towel. They just help themselves. So yeah, and this one, another guest bedroom, guys. Ta-da! So another guest bedroom, guys. It's huge, huh? The bedroom is huge. So yeah, it's very nice. Very nice. You can put the TV here because I think that one is a cable. So guys, look, what's the nice this bedroom, guys, is you can see the view. Look at the neighbor. You can see the view. Now you can see our cars there, the neighbors, like that. Very nice. Oh, diba? Very nice. So yeah, and that's our neighbors, and that's our closet. The guest bedroom's closet. It's not big closet, but we do have closet, right? So yeah, and let's go to the. You can turn up. Let's go to the backyard. Okay, so let's go. Come with me. Be careful, Daddy. Alright, guys. So the door is open already, as you can see, because I opened this one earlier. So we do have blinds, guys. This door is so heavy because for the security. So actually we do have a security, what did you call that today? Alarm security, guys. Alarm system. So this one, guys, supposed to be, this one is here. So this one is like it just click. It's just like click. See? It's very easy. So now we wanna open it because we're going to the backyard. So now, look. Ta-da! Voila! So now, we're gonna go to the backyard. Very heavy, guys. Because, like what I said earlier, is very security door. So guys, sorry, our backyard is not clean yet, but there's someone coming this week, but we don't know what's the day they're coming. So they gonna general cleaning the whole backyard for us. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna buy the new hose so that we have a new hose here. So that's our backyard, the first entry to our backyard. So the people who is cleaning in our yard, that's the entry. That's the entry they're gonna come. So now look, it's a big backyard need to clean, and this one, and this one, and this one. So the trees, they're gonna cut the trees, they're gonna clean these trees, and they have some more over there, right there. The area right there. Yeah, right there. We do have a 2 aircon, guys. We do have a 2 aircon. That's the trees, and they have 2 aircon there, right there. Diba? It's huge. And then that's the building, our house, right there. It's huge, guys. So that's my husband. Say hi, Daddy. Good morning, Daddy. Where are you going? Say good morning, Daddy. Right there. See? So now we are going inside. We're going inside now. Okay. So that's all our video, guys. Tour video, empty tour videos house. So that's all for today, our video, and thank you so much everyone for watching our videos all the time. And yeah, we do have part 2. So abangan ninyo, guys. Thank you so much. See you on my next vlog. Bye, guys.